Welcome to this powerful session of sleep hypnosis for connecting with your higher self, a healing journey designed to gently guide you into a deep state of relaxation, allowing your subconscious mind to receive support, wisdom, and healing energy to help with depression and anxiety. Before we begin, make sure you're lying down in a comfortable position, in a safe and quiet place where you can allow your body to rest deeply. Let go of distractions. Allow your hands to rest by your sides, your legs comfortably extended, and your eyes gently closed. This is your time to receive. You are safe. You are supported. You are loved. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Once more, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with calm energy, and breathe out, letting go of any tension, any worry. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more relaxed, and more at ease. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Gently allow a wave of soft, golden light to flow down over your scalp, soothing, calming, releasing all tightness. Feel it melt down your forehead, relaxing the muscles around your eyes, softening your cheeks, unclenching your jaw. Allow the tongue to rest gently in your mouth. Now the golden wave of light flows down your neck, your shoulders, releasing burdens, stress, and any emotional heaviness you may have been carrying today. With each breath, this healing light flows deeper into your chest, your arms, your hands, your fingertips. Feel your heartbeat slowing down, calming, syncing with the rhythm of deep healing. Now your back relaxes. Your spine is aligned and supported. Your stomach softens. Your hips let go. Your thighs, your knees, your calves, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body is now wrapped in a warm, golden cocoon of light. This is the light of your higher self, your inner wisdom, your eternal self that is always connected to love and truth. With every breath, you are now descending deeper into a state of healing sleep. Imagine you are standing at the top of a soft, spiral staircase. Each step you take brings you closer to the center of your being, to the peaceful sanctuary within you, to the place where your higher self resides. As I count down from 10 to 1, take one step with each number. 10. Going deeper. 9. Feeling lighter. 8. Leaving behind stress and worry. 7. Floating. 6. Safe and supported. 5. Halfway there. 4. Mind quieting. 3. Body completely relaxed. 2. Feeling a gentle presence. 1. Arriving in the heart of your inner sanctuary. You are now connected to your higher self. That part of you that is whole. That part of you that cannot be broken. That part of you that has never been touched by pain or fear. This version of you sees the truth beyond the struggle. Now, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful sacred space, perhaps a glowing forest, a temple of light, or a peaceful mountaintop at dusk. Feel the calm in the air. Everything here vibrates with love and stillness. In front of you stands your higher self. They look like you, but radiant, strong, compassionate. Their eyes reflect infinite peace. They step closer and place their hand on your heart. You feel a gentle warmth spreading through your chest. And now, in a soft voice, they say to you, "You are not your pain. You are not your past. You are light. You are love. You are healing. Let me help you now." You begin to feel the heavy fog of depression dissolve, bit by bit. The tightness of anxiety begins to loosen. Your higher self is sending light into the darkest parts of your subconscious, the parts where old pain, fear, and sorrow were stored. But now, those places are being washed clean. Imagine roots growing from your body into the earth below. With every breath, you release pain, sadness, fear, shame, down into the earth. The earth knows how to compost pain and transform it into healing. And above you, golden light from your higher self pours down like rain, filling every cell with confidence, hope, and inner peace. You are being recharged. You are being renewed. You are being restored. Now, your higher self speaks directly to your subconscious mind. Their voice becomes your own inner voice, repeating these healing truths. I am safe in my body. I am allowed to feel and release emotions. I do not need to carry the past any longer. I choose peace now. I am open to joy and connection. I am healing more each day. I am not broken. I am becoming. My higher self guides me to wholeness. I forgive myself. I trust myself. I love myself. Feel these affirmations soaking into your being, like seeds being planted in rich soil. Your mind and body are open to receiving this healing. You don't need to try, you simply allow. Each time you listen to this recording, these seeds grow stronger roots. Over time, they blossom into a new state of being, one where you are connected, balanced, grounded. Now, picture yourself 6 months from now. You have continued to connect with your higher self every day. You've let go of the past, little by little. Your inner world is calm. You've rediscovered joy, laughter, and presence. What do you look like in this vision? How do you feel when you wake up in the morning? Feel this version of you walking through life with ease, meeting challenges with confidence, surrounded by supportive people, guided by inner strength. You are this version of yourself. You are simply remembering the truth of who you are. Now, your higher self places their hands on your shoulders and says, You are never alone. Even in your darkest hour, I have been here. I am the light that never leaves. Come back to me anytime. Rest in me now, and let the healing continue. Feel the embrace of your higher self. Their love is infinite, and they will remain with you, watching over your sleep. And now, as you continue to breathe gently and rest, allow yourself to drift deeper into peaceful sleep. Your body is heavy and calm. Your mind is still and quiet. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just a gentle letting go. Let the soft waves of healing continue to wash over you, gently rocking you into deeper and deeper sleep. Each breath carries you further into safety, peace, and healing. If there are any thoughts, just watch them float by like clouds in the sky. Return to your breath. Return to your body. Return to your heart. I am healing. I am safe. I am whole. I am light. I am loved. I am enough. I am ready to receive peaceful, healing sleep. Now rest, and allow your higher self to carry you gently into the dream world, where your soul will continue to receive healing, guidance, and light. You are safe to sleep now. You are free. You are deeply, deeply loved. Let the audio fade here or loop a soft ambient background for sleep, keeping the listener gently in that calm hypnotic state for optimal healing and rest.